Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Bluetooth device not connecting to Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So there are gonna be multiple fixes and I'm gonna show you all of them. So let's go to the settings first and go to connections. Now go to Bluetooth and you can see I am connected, but if you are not, then the first thing I suggest you doing is disabling the Bluetooth, then turning it on again. Now you can check if it works. If it still doesn't, then on most headphones you just need to close the lid and reopen it, and then the headphones will be just turned off and on. You can also take them out and put them back in, or you can close the lid, reopen it, and press and hold on the back button at the back. In most headphones, some will have like different method on going to pairing mode. So most of the headphones of the most popular headphones have been recorded on our channel, so you can just look it up on our channel and you'll find how to enter pairing mode if it's not pressing and holding the back button, but in my case it is. So I can just press and hold, then click on scan, and maybe you'll be able to like find the device. I'm gonna stop the scan, and if it still doesn't help, then click on the paired device if you have your headphones already paired. I'm gonna close them. Then click on the settings here, unpair, then turn them on again, put them in pairing mode, and now click on scan again in the Bluetooth. So I think they have connected to my other phone, so I'm just gonna re-enter the pairing mode. Okay, they have connected to my laptop right now, so let's try again. I'm gonna press and hold. Yes, and they have been found right now, so I can click on it, then click on pair, and it may work for you. If it still for some reason doesn't, then there are two other fixes. The first one being restarting your phone. So press and hold either on the power button, or if it doesn't open this menu and opens the Gemini instead, then press and hold on power and volume up at the same time, then click on power off again, and now wait until it powers off. After a few seconds, press and hold on it on the power button only, and it'll turn on your phone. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay, and now I can release the button and wait until it boots. Then if you are still not able, you actually should repeat the steps that I've shown before restarting it from the beginning. So like turning on and off Bluetooth and all of that, try to reconnect, and if it still doesn't work, then there's the last fix that you can do, although the disadvantage of it is that it'll forget all your Bluetooth devices and all your Wi-Fi networks. So this method is going to settings, general management, reset, and select the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, so it'll reset all your like all the paired Wi-Fi's and Bluetooths, and then click on reset settings, and now they have been reset. And now let's try to reconnect by going to connections, Bluetooth. Now I'm gonna put them in pairing mode again. Remember that if you don't know how to put your own headphones in pairing mode, then you can find a video on our channel on how to do it, most probably because there are lots of headphones that have been recorded and now they are connected. So this is the last fix. And also make sure to charge your headphones. Sometimes it's just that they have been discharged, or they have just low battery, not discharged, and they still won't connect. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.